than what he said today, and I am saying that what he said today has been told by him only to the press while on board, though both the press conferences are different in nature, but I would think that he missed the opportunity to come out clean on many issues. Secondly, politically what he did, smart thing was, and it was really clever, that though he could not come out very convinced, and as you say repeatedly, you said in this program twice that Prime Minister could be said that we can assess him as an honest Prime Minister. That
can be, is what I'm asking.
It is, no, you can't say that. How can Prime Minister of India say that, okay, I know price rise has gone out?
This is what he said in his statement.
No, but you're not, he has to tell us, he has to tell people why. You are one of the best economists of the world we have for 10 years. Why it happened so? So I'm saying in short that, but still, I think Prime Minister was very clever when he said something so aggressively, quite unusually, and using very sharp language against Modi, and I think it overshadowed all other issues. And as you know, other TV channels, not Doordarshan, but other TV channels are playing up very much, and I think that was quite wrong. I would say.
Now that brings me to my next question.
I'm saying I said that media should make an issue of governance issue, corruption issue, price rise issue. Modi can be just one of the issues.
On DD it is one of the issues, but still, since it is one of the issues, I want to ask the BJP that why is it that the BJP has taken umbrage to what the Prime Minister has said in the past. Also, the Prime Minister had said that he does not think that Modi becoming the Prime Minister will be in the best interest of the country, and the BJP also has many times in the past attacked the Prime Minister, calling him the weakest Prime Minister ever. So why take umbrage?
This Prime Minister is a criticism of office of the Prime Minister, and he could have been more strong. That is the point. We have not indulged into this kind of personal criticism and victimization, and let me tell you.